5:28 p.m. August 9th, 2019. I had to make an appointment with Dr. McKenna today just to get him to respond to a certified letter I written on April 9th regarding my MetLife and disability insurance doing a review of my case and getting doctors to make them understand what my condition is. And he's the only one that did not respond to my certified letter, my 6 phone calls, or an email, and therefore didn't conform to what they were asking him to do, was just to confirm my condition and the disability part of it. So what they did is they went by his medical notes from January of this year, which were false information. He already sort of misdiagnosed me compared to the other doctors and made them believe that I am functional to work in any environment, just not able to lift heavy things, whatnot. He took some information that I had said to him that it was interpreted incorrectly, and he documented it. And this is what doctors do. They'll document incorrect information, and you spend all your time just chasing these people around correcting medical records. In this case, though, they latched on to that and dropped me. Well, they claim they stopped payment on the 7th, which is Wednesday, put a letter in the mail on Wednesday, called me on Wednesday late in the afternoon, so I couldn't get a hold of them until yesterday morning. And she sounds so happy on the phone, knowing that she was just destroying somebody's life by taking the money away. She was just thrilled, you know. Remember the ending? Oh, just have a great day. And she's just, your whole life's ruined. So, got some plans in the works here. I've got friends that have set me up with an attorney. Hopefully, to pursue that, I have to challenge MetLife's bail on me after 29 months of coverage, and all the other physicians that clearly state that I am not employable at this time. I found out today that I have lost my job, so I may be going to take out early retirement from my 401k, which is going to cost me 50%, just to get what little I have to get us through. I have a girlfriend, Jan, who wants to put together a GoFundMe page. I just hate asking people for help. In the meantime, I don't know. I'm really scared. My partner's just excellent through this whole process. He was quite concerned with me yesterday and kept calling about every hour just to make sure I do something. Which I won't lie, I'm on the edge. I'm really being pushed. Here. I'm a strong person, but this is, like, what pushes me over the edge is like a bill collector just called right now. I never answer the phone because I'm afraid, but she just, they just care about their my portion of the bill. They don't care that you don't have any income or that you're struggling. They just want their money. In this case, it happens to be $400 of my share for a consultation for one of my doctors that I'm seeing now. $400, $430 some dollars they want from me. How do you pay that? It's not that I don't want to pay anybody. If I had a tree that grew money, if I had a job that I was getting income, if I had disability insurance now that's been taken away because of this jerk off that I had to make an appointment to yell at today, and boy, I did not hold back. I held him up, and he could tell that he made some serious mistakes. And I'm saying that this is This is perhaps malpractice on his part, and I'm speaking to an attorney about obviously challenging MetLife, but him as well, and these doctors that don't return calls, important calls. They could have avoided this whole thing. I'm just sick and tired of being abused in this process. I didn't do anything. I showed up for surgery one day, and suddenly our lives have been turned upside down since, you know? And everybody, all these doctors just care about is making sure their lives are comfortable, but they don't do anything for you. She says, well, it's a consultation. You still have to pay for it. You still saw him, right? I said he didn't do anything for me. He hasn't done anything. But it was a consultation. You saw him, right? Yeah, I saw him. And he said he was going to do something for me. And he hasn't done anything for me yet. So what am I paying for? This is ridiculous.